Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about a mild, very weak constitution which comes very close to Baraita and Bufo, but an underprescribed constitution or a remedy, we can say, and that is alumina. See, alumina is what? Aluminum, and in chemistry we have learned it is ductile, it is malleable. What does it mean? It means you can fold it or mold it the way you want. Same are the constitutions of alumina. They don't have their own perceptions or own ideas. They will think, they'll do the way people expect from him or what they receive as from people. So they'll try to do what people are thinking about it or according to their ideas or imagination. So what will happen once you start losing your own ideas or imagination? You'll lose what you are basically. So you'll see in alumina a lot of confusion about their own identity, about their own ideas, where it when leads to like head belongs to other. They'll stop thinking from their inside, or you can say they'll stop having their own ideas and they'll act according to others' opinion. This part comes as an mentally, but physically what you will see a lot of weakness, muscle weakness or a paralytic condition where alumina works fantastically. In skin complaints where there is a lot of dryness, cracks and bleeding, alumina works there as well. Stay tuned to learn more of such remedies, and you can also enroll in our e-universities. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.